My name is Flabua Bajabanunga. I'm back and I'm black.
So, what do you think about Bali so far?
Oh, it's fantastic. Nice.
First time to Bali?
No, I actually live here.
Oh, you live in Bali?
Kind of like a long holiday.
A long holiday. Now today we're in Bali, Indonesia, and we're just going to interview a few people, expats, tourists, things like that, and just ask them some questions, what they're doing here, how long they've been here, and yeah, what their agenda is. Okay, let's get on with it. Have you been to Bali before?
First time, actually.
First time to Bali?
Yeah.
Right. So, what do you think about Bali so far?
Oh, it's fantastic. Nice.
Fantastic?
Yeah, it's good. Beautiful weather, beautiful beaches,
Yeah.
beautiful people.
Well, it's the dry season at the moment, so
Yeah.
it's when the good weather is.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And where are you from in Australia?
We're from Sydney.
Sydney?
Yeah, mate.
Where in Sydney?
Just down near Cronulla way.
Oh, yeah. I was born in Engadine, actually.
Oh, were you? Yeah, side boy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
But grew up in Jervis Bay.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
right. So how long are you staying in Bali for?
We're here for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
And you're staying in the Kuta Legian area? Or?
We are, yeah, just around the corner from Kuta Beach, actually. So,
All right.
Yeah.
So have you been anywhere or done anything while you're here?
Not just yet. We just explored the town. We just explored Kuta and Legian. And,
Right.
yeah. So we're going up to the Seminyak today and going to check out a couple of the day clubs.
All right.
Beach clubs. So.
Oh, like Kuta Tar and Potato Head and things like that.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Are you planning on doing any tours here?
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we're going up to the Swing Heaven tomorrow.
Oh, the swing?
Yeah, we're doing some jungle buggies the day after.
Oh, the four-wheelers.
Yeah,
they're good fun. They're great. They really are.
Checking out the volcanoes the day after that.
All right. Yeah. In the wet season, the river rafting is really good fun.
Yeah,
because
right,
the water's
okay.
just rushing. You can still do it now.
Yeah.
But it's sort of slow, and then there's little quick bits. But
Okay.
it's probably a safer time to do it now.
Okay.
But in the wet season,
Sounds
just
more fun in the wet
it
season.
goes for like 2 hours. It goes for about 10 kilometres.
Yeah, wow.
It's really good. It's good fun. So
Yeah.
if you do get the chance, or can check out any of them rivers.
Yeah.
Do the water rafting.
Oh, yeah, we'll check it out.
So do you think you'll be back to Bali again?
Hey, definitely, yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, 100%.
Right. Anyway, thanks for your time.
All right, thank you.
Thank
Cheers,
you.
mate. Appreciate it.
So, is this your first time to Bali?
No, I actually live here.
Oh, you live in Bali, all right. And what area do you live in?
I live in Seminyak.
Seminyak, all right.
Yeah.
And every morning do your beach walk?
It's true, yeah. I do that every morning,
Same
about
with me.
8,000 steps or so, yeah.
So, how long have you been in Bali for?
I've been here about 2.5 years.
2.5 years? all right.
Yeah.
And where are you originally from?
I was born in the U.S., French father and Bolivian mother. So,
All right.
yeah,
Where in the US?
Washington, D.C.
Washington, all right. I lived in California in the 80s for 6 years.
Oh,
Yeah.
that must have been a good
It
time.
was good back then.
Yeah.
And now, I think there was like the same population as Australia then, like 15 million, but now there's like 40 million in there or something.
I didn't even know that, but yeah,
Something
it's grown.
ridiculous.
It's grown. It's changed a lot.
So you planning on like living here forever, you think?
Yeah, I love it here. It's a wonderful place. The people are wonderful. The nature is wonderful. Life is cheap. What else? The weather is great.
Yeah.
So yeah, many reasons. I've lived all around the world. Maybe I've been to 80 countries.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Lived on all continents except Australia and Antarctica. And I chose to live here. Yeah.
Australia's a good country, but it's very expensive at the moment.
I need to
That's
go
why
there.
I live here.
I want to go there, just I haven't made it there yet. It looks a lot like America. I mean, it's different, right? But like compared to the rest of the world, so I'm taking my time, but I will go there.
Yeah, it's very Western, but be prepared to get your wallet out because it's very,
It's
our
expensive,
government,
and it's expensive.
like your
nowadays, yeah.
government at the moment, it's probably that's what you're escaping to, is it?
One of the reasons I live in Bali is because I love the values and the people here, and
Yeah,
I like people with good values.
Get
right?
away from I'm
Yeah, it's
yeah.
super safe.
So you've never really had any trouble or problems
Never. I've
here?
been here
You
2
always
years
feel
and a
safe?
half, and I always feel safe. I leave my phone on my bike if sometimes I forget.
Well, I wouldn't do that.
And it's still there when I get back. I go dancing. I do Latin dancing,
Oh, right.
and I leave it often on the table, and it's still there when I come back. I mean, the values here are quite amazing.
Yeah, it is. There is crime here, but it's sort of petty
It's
crime.
very petty and very
petty theft.
minor,
Maybe
rare.
some of the clubs there might be pickpockets and
Yeah,
things
of
like
course. If you meet like with prostitutes and like you go late night, in a club or something.
Well,
something.
you're looking for trouble.
But yeah, if you get like drunk and like lose consciousness. Okay, maybe after a few hours you'll get pickpocketed, but not even sure.
So how much a month do you think you actually spend on living in Bali?
Okay, I'm living here with $1,500 a month.
Oh, you can live quite comfortable on that.
I'm living comfortably. I've got an apartment, 50 square meter overlooking a beautiful view of frangipani trees and coconut trees and a river, just 10 minutes from the beach.
So do you cook at home or just eat out because it's so cheap?
I'm eating out every lunch and dinner too. Yeah.
I mainly do too. I've been here for 28 years,
wow.
and I still buy food because we do cook at home sometimes. But by the time you buy all the ingredients, you may as well just buy it.
Right,
and it's cheaper just to go out.
Yeah, it's even cheaper to go out here.
Yeah.
So that's why a lot of people like to come to Bali too.
All right. Yeah. All right. Anyway, thanks for your time.
You're welcome. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
All the
and
best.
what was your name?
My name is Pierre.
Yeah, I'm Grant.
Okay,
anyway,
Brian, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Take care. Yeah.
Okay, look what I found up here. I found the goose. The goose is still here. Some people reckon it's a duck, but it's definitely got to be a goose, this thing. Hello, Mr. Goosey. What are you doing? So this is how we feed. Hello.
My name is Flavua Bajabanunga. I'm back and I'm black. Look. Her name Julia Gillard. She's my ex. Made in Australia. She called me chocolate torpedo. Dingo ate my baby.
So you're on holidays in Bali at the moment?
Kind of like a long holiday.
A long holiday. So how many times have you been to Bali?
Many times. The first time? First time I think it was in 1992.
All right.
I was still handsome and young.
Still handsome, mate. Still handsome. Yeah, I think I'd come here first time at 79 or something.
Wow.
So you can really see the difference.
Yeah. Even from 92 and 94, it was like in this area. First time I came here was with a Danish girlfriend, and she found Komalinda.
Oh, Komalinda.
Yeah, but next door it was like rice paddies.
Yeah, right.
Rice paddies, man.
It's like that everywhere now. So you were here pre-COVID. What do you think about the prices and the cost of things since COVID?
Well, there's coming a lot more people, so the prices of accommodation is going up. But in general, I think Indonesia didn't really suffer so much from the inflation, because they produce most of their own food. Yeah, they
Right.
make beef. They have to eat.
So if you know where to shop, like you've been here many times, you can do the cheap thing.
Yeah, you know
For the average tourist,
the cheap beer.
It's got the cheap.
I go to Marby's shop down the road there. So I can get a Australia.
So what do you think about safety in Bali? You always felt safe here? Never felt threatened or?
Yeah, in general, yeah. But I'm pretty friendly guy, so yeah, I think if you're friendly and just happy and smiling, and then the local people, Balinese or wherever they're from, they're very friendly. Indonesians are.
They are friendly people, aren't they? Yeah. I think
just,
more women get more trouble than men, I think.
Oh yeah, okay.
So it's just a question.
That comes down to testosterone.
Maybe a lot of women, I think, get robbed more, get targeted more, like stealing handbags and things like that.
Okay.
A lot of that still happens. It's rare, but it still happens.
Yeah.
So how long are you here for?
Well, I was here a couple of months, and then I went to Malaysia to
do a visa run?
Yeah, a visa run, but to visit some friends in Penang,
All right. Anyway, all right. Thank you for that.
Hey, no worries, mate.
And,
what's your name?
Grant.
Grant, yeah.
What's your name?
Kevin.
Kev. All right. If you like this style of video, please leave it in the comments what you think about it. If you'd like me to do more interview style videos, and I'd like to hear your input for that. So anyway, hope you like the video.